Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into roofpurify.com because apparently, a lot of you are wondering if this site is a Christmas miracle or just another lump of coal. It claims to be a festive wonderland of decorations, gifts, and toys, which is interesting considering the name sounds more like a specialized gutter cleaning service than a toy shop. Before you pull out your credit card, let's see if this place is actually legit or just a very festive digital trap. Let's start with the positives, if we can call them that. The domain was registered back in June 2022, so it's been around for a while. While that doesn't exactly make it a historical landmark, at least it wasn't born yesterday in a basement. They also have an active presence on Facebook, regularly posting and engaging with content. It's always comforting to know a scammer or a business has enough free time to manage a social media feed while keeping their corporate identity a total mystery. Now for the red flags, which are currently flying higher than Santa's sleigh. When we tried to find out who actually runs this operation, we found absolutely nothing. There are no owner details, no company info, and no team background. It's as if the website was created by elves who are deeply concerned about their privacy. Their customer support consists of a single email address, no phone number, no live chat, and no physical address. I suppose if your order never arrives, you can just send an email to the void and hope the void feels like replying. Finally, we have the reviews, or more accurately, the total lack of them. We checked external platforms like Trustpilot and found a grand total of 0 reviews. It's a bit hard to trust a store when the only person vouching for it is the person trying to sell you something. Given the complete lack of transparency and the ghost town vibe of their customer feedback, roofpurify.com looks incredibly risky. You're better off being cautious and keeping your money where it belongs, in your own pocket. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest breakdowns that keep you off the naughty list.